What's up, guys? We're at Bradenton Motorsports Park. It is soaking wet here, and they got a lot of track drying and prep to do, so we're probably a couple hours away from racing, but we are going to do an oil change on the car today. We're going to do a couple things, so it actually kind of works out for us. We can get some stuff done, but it's wet, so there's no point in unloading everything into the wetness, but hopefully we can get some racing in today. We'll see. All right, so we're gonna start unloading stuff. I just got word that they want to do a feature on the car, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna get it put in a race trim. They're like, just leave it, come down for pictures. I'm like, no, it looks cooler with the RCs on it. So we're gonna get the wheels changed over and get some pictures. This is so cool. So I actually got asked to bring the car down to the top end because they want to feature it in the magazine. How awesome is that? Like, this is like a dream come true, guys. Like a dream I didn't know I had until now. Pretty sweet. This is like the coolest this car's ever gonna look. This guy's making the old Crewville look like polishing a turd.
At least we're trying.
Man, those look so good. Oh,
polish that.
look at this.
A little
Like,
bit behind the
it
scene.
doesn't look like that. Oh, this is sweet. So cool. If you'd have told me 5 years ago we'd be getting pictures to be in a magazine, I'd have called you a liar. This is awesome. All right, so I told my crew that I was leaking some oil, and he came up to fix it. Hey, Ken, maybe just here, roll out from there for now. Yes, I know it's got problems we're gonna have to fix.
Looks like the water pump just failed too.
Oh, good.
Outside's cool and the other side is car stands.
Awesome. Nice easy day, right? It's okay.
Be okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
Might have some work to do. Hey, you know the nice thing about this, though?
What?
It's a while before we gotta go down the track, so we can sort these issues out. But you know what? I don't have a spare water pump.
Summit will.
Yeah, but they aren't here.
Yeah, they are. Summit?
Yeah, they won't have this one. Guaranteed.
What is it? Is it a special one?
Yep.
Is there a short or long big block water pump?
I gotta look at it.
either-
It's a reverse water pump because it's serpentine. Actually, Edelbrock's here. That's what it is, so they might have one.
Yeah, whatever's dripping on the right hand side, that's
Good.
coolant.
Always a good time on Sick Week. What are you doing?
We have a minor power steering leak.
Pardon me, it's not minor. Everything is an emergency when you're on Sick Week.
It's the fitting on the bottom. I think I can get it tightened up here, so had to pull some stuff off. It's pretty loose.
Yeah, everything's loose on this thing after going nines.
Now that we're going 9s, yeah, you're right.
And the water pump needs to be addressed too. I go to take pictures and I get up there and the thing starts leaking. I'm like, what is going on? Some power steering and water pump. So we got to figure all this out. But we're going to go racing here soon-ish. Oh, first two down the track. All right, guys. I got to get back at this. Next clip you'll see is us being like, yay, it's fixed. Hopefully. All of this was
I'm gonna knife you if you don't watch yourself.
like, I don't know what you guys have done with the organization of this thing, but I had everything all
I can't
night.
even kill myself with this knife. It's not even sharp enough. It's
There is a knife in there because I put it in there with a brand new blade. I don't know where it's went. With your stupid jokes.
I'm torn on what we could have done, I tell you.
Like, he's pretty brave saying all this stuff when we got the knives out.
I'm kind of bored. You have two professional pilots. Well, I'm not really professional. He's a professional. I'm just a wannabe.
Yep.
You need a Swiss tool, not a Leatherman. Swiss tool.
I have scissors.
That's what this.
And let me see what you have. No!
What are we doing? Are we just boxing this in?
Covering this into.
Keep the air going through. Okay.
It's kind of a little slow, but you know.
What?
You want to go in a fast one?
So I walk away for 5 minutes and it's just
They
like,
come back and they
yeah,
start cutting.
like all my tools are in shambles. Where's the knife? I'm like, what's in there?
There goes old man Bill.
So this guy shows up out of nowhere.
These guys come all the way from the frozen Alberta lands, and guess what? Most of the guys down there are putting cardboard weather fronts on their car, and they're going the other direction. They're trying to get more wind in there. I tell you what, you gotta love it.
Speed tape.
This is a Canadian trick. Nobody
Yeah.
knows about this down here.
Yeah, that's right. Hopefully it solves our overheating problem.
Well, we're not really overheating. We're just running warm.
Yeah, well, we're having to run the heater in Florida to keep the car cool.
I tell you what, you should have brought a handful of snow from home.
Do you guys realize how expensive that tape is and you're just taping? Why don't we just use tape over there? Why do we have to put
Well, I'm only
cardboard?
using what you guys provided.
Well,
This is
in
speed
here.
rated.
yeah, Matt over here, it's not.
No, you gotta look at it. This is like speed rated tape. You're
See,
gonna
it
start
looks
busting.
better. It's shiny.
I mean, it matches the car,
It's good enough for NASCAR. It's good enough for you.
right?
We're trying to add a little extra weight to the nose of the car.
So it doesn't
'cause
wheelie
doesn't
when we
power
turn it up?
wheelie.
Uh-huh. That looks stock. Well, guys, it's not ideal, but there's a heck of a wind here, so they aren't letting the A and B classes run today with the crosswind, so I guess it's fast car problem. I handed in my pictures. He won't even wait for us. Well, safe driving, guys. We'll see ya. So, boys are putting the car back into street mode, and we're gonna hit the road and put some miles. And we got like 8 hours driving tonight, so yeah, lots of fun. We didn't get to run today, and then they took my blower belt away from me. So we put it back on, so at least I can have a little bit of fun at a check stop, maybe. But we got a long drive today, and it's already 4 o'clock. So yeah, we'll be driving late tonight. Super fun. What do you think, Matt?
You should shut up and start moving.
I don't know why he's up front. He's supposed to be in the back. For fuck's sake. What's up, honey? Love you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We just pulled in for fuel and we picked up a hitchhiker.
Yeah.
She's like, I need a
really
ride. Yeah. So this is best case scenario because I only got 3 headsets. So f you, Matt. We don't have to listen to you for at least an hour.
Any of my pizza or my yogurt.
Oh, I forgot to get a yogurt.
Frozen yogurt.
Damn. Anyways, so we're gonna hit the road. Second check stop is like an hour and a bit away, and then we're like another hour to the hotel. So.
run it on meth.
Yeah, just prime.
Yeah, just hit prime, it'll go. He said meth was a bad thing. Methanol. See, I'm his encouragement.
Gas station's gonna be on your right-hand side.
I'm nervous to go through this intersection.
Whatever. It'll be fun.
Okay, just be ready to bail out and
Flintstone.
push. Come on, go green. We don't have time for
We'll
idling.
go 1, 2, 3.
Shut up!
So just to be clear, is my job to film you guys pushing the car, or is it to help push?
Pushing Sean first.
You're
We gotta push Sean
You're
first.
not pushing. They are pushing.
Okay,
Actually,
my job
it
is
should just be
to
Matt.
film them pushing.
Matt
Yeah,
should
and then
be-
when it starts, you're gonna leave me, okay?
Yeah.
I know the drill.
Exactly.
It's good to
I'll get a
stretch
ride
your
with
legs.
Justin. Justin would pick me
Get a
up.
little bit of a walk to the gas station. It'll be good for you. Would you focus?
Where's the gas station? Where do I go?
Great. So if you keep talking, he's sure gonna be fuming.
And then we won't be that mobile.
I'm gonna kick all of you out of here.
Yay! We made it!
This is such a gas. I don't have any jokes because I'm bad.
In theory, it was supposed to be drop me off at the hotel, but it needed gas and I wanted it to run out of gas. Dang it, we didn't get that adventure. Tried.
Tires look like, Emily. We did a couple burnouts tonight.
They are wearing down, but they still look pretty good.
Are they on the bars yet?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I definitely still see the like the
mean-
drag radial tread.
Those Nitos, or Nittos.
They're really neato. Oh my god, no, Matt's rubbed off on
Oh,
me.
this is terrible.
This is bad.
Yeah. Don't you start
You
doing-
said neato though. Come on.
I did. They're Nitto.
Yes, they are.
Well, that's the most it's ever taken. All right, so we just about ran out of fuel, and we had like an internal fight in the car because of navigators back there.
It wasn't a fight, it was
Yeah.
glorious.
No, you be quiet.
We had
You
a
be
gas.
quiet.
Listen.
Listen, Linda.
Anyways, we're dropping Emily off. It was absolutely delightful having her up here in the front seat instead of this guy. Like,
Come on, you love me.
yeah,
His dad jokes are just on par.
yeah, terrible,
Wow.
right? Terrible.
It kind
Terrible.
of rubbed off on me.
I know
drop
it did.
off pretty good.
Get 3 more
I-
days with them and then we'll talk.
I don't know, it started like it got my creative juices flowing. I was like, I kind of felt good about my he's fuming thing. That was pretty good.
All right, guys. So we're dropping Emily off, heading to our hotel, and we got some more shenanigans tonight to get up to. And there's cops all over, so we're gonna behave though.
Yeah.
Made it to the hotel. Another long drive day, but it was good. It wasn't bad. We had some fun. We still got a little bit of tire left. Justin might be in jail. I don't know. But we made it safe.